So, if you're having BMW X5 E70 and you have a problem with your panoramic roof, which looks like this, as you can see, I cannot close and I cannot open it, and it is left in the open position. And the problem is that the rail here, I think it was plastic one, is broken. I broke it myself a year ago when it again was broken, but okay, at least it was closed and I was not using this. But now after a year I forgot and I accidentally opened it, so now we'll try to get it closed again. And right now I have done only one thing. I've removed this rubber cover which goes here, and that's the first step that you also need to do. It's on both sides here, it's also removed, and basically there's no screws, no nothing, just this place. Let me focus. Yeah, you see both sides, it just slides onto the metal right here and here. So you just pull it over and that's it. When you will do that, you will see 3 screws on each side. 1, 2, and there's the third one which we cannot see because it's dark. Same of course on the other side, also 1, 2, and there we can see the third one. When we will remove those 3 screws, we have assistant here by the way. When we will remove those 3 screws, we will be able to take out the window itself, which will give us the headroom to actually play with the plastic rail and close the mechanism. And when it's going to be closed, hopefully we can screw back the window to have our roof at least closed. So I removed all the 6 bolts, and here are 5. One is stuck down there. I'll get it out later. And the window fell in a bit, as you can see it freely open. Unfortunately, I'm gonna need both of my hands, so I will stop filming and I'm gonna try to pull out the window. Hopefully it goes well. And yeah, it was actually pretty easy. It's not too heavy. You can easily take it out on your own. And here we will try to see what exactly is broken. And here's the sixth screw, and if we can get it fixed without any big damage. So this probably is the problem. As you can see, the spring doesn't go further, so it doesn't operate the rail, and this side isn't moving at all, but that side is trying to close. So I will try to wiggle it a bit with a screw, and then hopefully it goes through. So I played quite a bit around, and the problem was that actually this rail, which goes backwards on this slide, had a piece of plastic stuck underneath. So when I jiggled it quite around, I did successfully. As you can see, the back is closed now, and the front, the mechanic part, is also closed. Now I just need to put back the window, and hopefully I will have an access to the screw places with it in the closed position. So again, I will put the phone down, I'll try to put the window. Okay, so I got lucky. Fortunately, even when your window is closed, as it is right now, you have access to those 3 bolts on each side to take off the window. So I successfully put it back. And the only thing that you need to think about is to make sure to align it well enough with the rubbers so that water doesn't fill in your car when it's raining. And I'm gonna go grab a cup of water and pour it on the roof to see if everything is fine. I think it should be good, but of course the rubbers themselves are very old and in bad condition, but hopefully it's gonna be fine. And I tried with the water and everything seems fine. So then we have the last thing to do, which is putting back these rubber things. I'll try to show you like how exactly to do that, but again, I'm gonna need 2 hands for that. So this side will be easier. So as I showed it earlier, there are 2 slides. This one and this one in the bottom where my nail is. And on the rubber, you also one and second. You're gonna feel it. It's more like, you can see it here. Wait to zoom in, focus. Well, whatever, you can see it. So those pieces should go on. One side is more wide, second is more narrow, wider one goes here. And this is how you spend a lot of time and get a dirty roof, but at least your sunroof, panoramic roof, or whatever is closed. Thanks for watching, hope this helps.